Good enough about those. Thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. We are going to be updating, of course, the GoPro, or sorry guys, the Osmo Action 5. So in case you guys are wondering, of course, let's go ahead and turn off the camera because I turned it on and it connected, so it will disconnect. So you can see there is a firmware available already for the Action 5. So let's go ahead and turn the camera on, and we're going to confirm, and then we'll go into our camera settings. We are going to connect to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, join the network, of course, and this is through, you know, Apple. If you have an Android, this is going to be a little bit more difficult because for some reason the Android does not have, or the Play Store does not have this app for some reason, the DJI. So we're going to go home, and you'll see there's a new firmware available. Let's see if it's going to let me download the update at this battery level. Oh, yeah, it looks like it is. So now we wait as it updates. In case you're wondering, that is how you update your Action 5. So we wait approximately 2 minutes. Let's give it some time. Alright, so it looks like the update has been successful. Let's go ahead and hit done, and the Action 5 is going to restart, and you're pretty much done. That is how you update the firmware. It's been updated. They probably added like some settings and some other stuff to it. Of course, there's always like updates to this thing. There it is. It's been updated. I guess it gives you photo super night. That is the new feature here that we have. So I'm not sure what the update was about, but that's how you update the Action 5. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Of course, you need to have the DJI app, the Mimo app. For the Android, you would have to download it via link. On the Apple, for some reason, you could just download the app. I don't know what it is, but it's been like that for some time. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Life's risky, out there and ride. Later.